Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing on Instamojo payment. So for my business, I'm using Instamojo as my payment gateway, and now what I want is that whenever I'm going to receive a new successful payment, then automatically I want to use the detail of that payment and my customer detail, and I want to add a new subscriber in my email list in Pabbly email marketing. So here I want to do this automatically, and for that I need to build a connection between Instamojo and Pabbly email marketing. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new payment through Instamojo, then automatically I will create a new subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen.
I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing on Instamojo payment. So whenever a customer makes a payment on Instamojo, I want to automatically add them as a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. So this will allow me to engage with them through targeted email campaigns, promotions or newsletters, and whether it's a welcome email or a follow-up on their purchase. So automating this process will ensure timely communication, helping me to nurture the relationship and drive future sales. So here what I'm going to do is, I'm going to connect Instamojo with Pabbly email marketing in such a way that whenever I'm going to receive a new payment or a new successful payment through Instamojo for my product, my course or for anything, then automatically by using the detail of that customer, I'm going to create a new subscriber or add that subscriber in my email list in Pabbly email marketing. So here for updating my email list in Pabbly email marketing with my Instamojo payments, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up an automation and I'm going to connect Instamojo and Pabbly email marketing without any coding and programming skills, just with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration, and here for using Pabbly Connect, I just need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and here we need to use Pabbly Connect. So for that, I'm going to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, I need to create a new workflow, and for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing on Instamojo payments. Now what I need to do is, I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab, I'm going to find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and I'm going to use this particular folder of automation. So I'm going to select that, and now I need to click on create. And it will direct us to this most important window of our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow, I need to first set up my trigger, and here I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here first for setting up my trigger, I need to search for my trigger application, and here in my trigger application, I'm going to use Instamojo. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to use Instamojo version 2. So I'm going to select that, and now I have to give my trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and successful payment is going to be my trigger event. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to connect Instamojo version 2 with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Instamojo and Pabbly Connect. And for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. So first I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And now with the help of this webhook URL, I'm going to get the detail of my new payment or the new successful payment that I'm going to receive for my order through Instamojo here in Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting Instamojo, I'm going to take you to my Instamojo account, and here this is my Instamojo dashboard, and I have already logged into my Instamojo account in my browser. Now here what I need to do is I need to go to my payment pages. So I'm going to click on Smart Pages, and here these are all my payment pages. So here I'm going to connect one of these page with Pabbly Connect so that I can get the response of every successful payment for that particular page in Pabbly Connect. So for that I need to click on this 3-dot button, and now I'm going to click on this Edit Page button. Now here I need to connect this page with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to go to Page Settings, and here in Page Settings I have this particular option of webhook. So I'm going to open that, and here I have this option of Add Webhook. So I need to first enable this option, and I'm going to toggle on this option. Now here I have to add my webhook, and first I have to give my webhook URL. So here I'm going to add my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I have successfully added my webhook URL, and now I have to give information to be sent. So here I have to give this information of the successful payment and my customer. So I'm going to click here, and here I'm going to select successful payments as my trigger. So I'm going to select that. And now with this webhook URL, I'm going to receive all the successful payment that I'm going to receive through Instamojo in Pabbly Connect. Now that I have added all the required details, I'm going to click on Save and Update. I'm going to again click on Save and Update. And now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. Now for getting this webhook response, I need to create a new successful payment, and as I will create a new successful payment for my page through Instamojo, then automatically I'm going to get that response here in Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to receive the response of my new successful payment through Instamojo to Pabbly Connect. So for making the payment, I'm going to take you back to Instamojo. Now I'm going to open my page, so I'm going to click on this 3-dot button again, and I'm going to share my page. And here this is my page link, so I'm going to copy this from here, and I'm going to open that in a new tab. So here this is my payment page, and now I need to make a new payment. So for creating a new payment, I'm going to click on this Pay Now button, and here I have to fill all the detail of my customer. So here the first name of my customer is going to be Michael, last name is going to be Karis, email will be michaelkaris@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number, and now I'm going to click on Proceed to Pay. And now here I have to select my payment method. So I'm going to select credit or debit card as my payment method. And now I have to fill all these details to make a payment. So I'm going to fill all the required details. Now here I've added my card details. I'm going to click on Pay. And here I've successfully created this new payment for my product, and I've created this order by making a successful payment. Now that by using Instamojo I've created a successful payment, I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response, and this is the response of my new payment or the new successful payment that I have made through Instamojo, and here I have received all those details of my payment. So with this response, we can see I have received all the detail of my successful payment and also the detail of my customer. So here I have the name of my customer, that is Michael Karis. I have the random phone number of my customer, and I have the email address, that is michaelkaris@pabblytudes.com. Also I have the detail of my payment, like I have my total amount, that is 9 rupees. Also I have my currency, that is Indian rupees, and I have account ID and other details. So here I have successfully received all the detail of my successful payment through Instamojo, and as I have created a new successful payment through Instamojo, then automatically I have received that response here in Pabbly Connect. Now that I'm receiving all the detail of my payments from Instamojo, now what I need to do is that from this response I need to use the detail of my customer, and automatically by using the detail of my customer, I need to create a new subscriber in Pabbly Email Marketing. So for automatically adding a new subscriber in Pabbly Email Marketing, I need to set up my Actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I need to search for my action application, that is Pabbly Email Marketing. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select Pabbly Email Marketing here. Now I'm going to give my action event, so I'm going to open this tab, and add subscribers is going to be my action event. So I'm going to select that, and I need to connect Pabbly Email Marketing with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on Connect. I'm going to click on Add New Connection, and here for connecting Pabbly Email Marketing with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a token. So for getting this token, I need to first log into my Pabbly Email Marketing account, and then I need to obtain my bearer token, and I need to add that bearer token here in this tab. So for getting this bearer token, I need to take you to my Pabbly email marketing account. And in this, I need to go to integrations. And here in integrations, I have to go to developer API. So I need to open that. And here in developer API, I have this particular bearer token. So I'm going to first regenerate this token. And I'm going to copy this token from here. I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste that token here in this tab of token. Now that I've added all my required details, I'm going to click on save. And here I've connected Pabbly email marketing with Pabbly Connect. Now for adding my subscriber, I need to first select my list where I want to add my subscribers. So for selecting my list or my email list, I'm going to take you back to Pabbly email marketing. And in this, I'm going to take you to subscribers. And here in subscribers, we can see I have these three lists. So here I'm going to use this default list where I want to add my subscribers from Instamojo payments. And by using this list, I'm going to update my email list from my successful payments. So I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here for selecting my list name, I need to open this tab. And in this tab, I'm going to find all the lists that I have in my Pabbly email marketing account. And I can use any particular list that I want to use for updating my email list again and again with every new payment that I'm going to receive through Instamojo. So I'm going to select this default list. And now I have to give the email address and the name of my customer who I want to add as a subscriber. So here I'm going to use my Instamojo response, and from that response, I'm going to get the detail of my customer and I'm going to map those details here in these tabs. So here for that, I need to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I'm going to open this response of Instamojo, and here I need to map the email address. So this is the email address of my customer. So I'm going to map that. And now I'm going to map the customer name. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Instamojo. And here this is my customer name. So I'm going to map that. And here I've filled all the required details. Now as I've mapped these details, I've made all these details dynamic. Now what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new payment or a new successful payment through Instamojo, then automatically all these details that I've mapped here will get replaced with the new customer detail in the real time. And with every new successful payment that I'm going to receive through Instamojo, I will add new subscribers in my email marketing list in Pabbly email marketing. Now that I have filled all the required details, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have updated or added my subscriber in my email list in Pabbly email marketing by using the detail of my customer from Instamojo payment. So to check whether I've added a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing or not, let me take you to Pabbly email marketing. I'm going to refresh this page. And here we can see I'm on my default list where I've added a new subscriber that is named as Michael Karras, and I have the email that is michaelkarras@pabblytudes.com. So here we can see that I've successfully added a new subscriber in my email list in Pabbly email marketing. And here I have used all the detail of my customer who has made the successful payment through Instamojo. So here I have done this automatically, and here I have set up this automation between Instamojo and Pabbly email marketing. And now what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new successful payment through Instamojo, then automatically it will add a new subscriber in my email list in Pabbly email marketing. So here I've set up this automation and this connection with the help of Pabbly Connect. And now with Pabbly Connect, I can automatically create a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing from Instamojo payments. So with every new payment or with new Instamojo customer, I can update my email list and I can add them as a subscriber in my email list in Pabbly email marketing. So here I have successfully created this automation and this connection between Instamojo and Pabbly email marketing with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here I have built this connection between Instamojo and Pabbly email marketing to automatically create a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing on Instamojo payment. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Instamojo version 2, and my trigger event was successful payment. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was Pabbly email marketing, and my action event was add subscribers. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.